Let's send your very first SMS campaign using Quick Campaign. From the Quick Campaign dashboard, start by opening Templates and choosing SMS. Browse the options, then select the template you like and click Select Template. Next, give your campaign a clear and recognizable name. Then it's time to choose who you'll send it to. Click Select Contacts, then Add Contact. Enter the first name, last name, and contact number. Then click Add Contact to save. Check the box next to your contact's name to include them, and click Next. Now you're ready to send. Click Send Now to launch your SMS campaign instantly. After sending, click Back to Campaign to return to your campaign list. Here, you can review the campaign details, track delivery, and monitor status in real time. That's it. Your SMS campaign is live, and you can manage performance from start to finish, right inside Quick Campaign.